Tagay pa, pre. Ba't Rowena must drink first?
Yeah. Tagayin mo ako. Tagayin mo ako, Ellen.
Oo, sige. Okay.
Please.
Sige, Rowena. Go, go.
Happy birthday to someone who looks younger and younger each year. Looks younger and younger. From Lang.
Read the...
Tapos na siyang umiyak kanina.
From someone who lies more and more.
Oh, relax. I was kidding.
Happy birthday. Okay.
Thank you. Tagay na muna. Kasi siya.
Yeah, tagay.
Tagay, sige.
Huh?
Ishatan mo.
No, it's video.
May asin pa, may ice pa. Cute. Saan ka? Sige.
Princess,
Dilaan mo na kamay mo na.
Princess for tonight.
Sige, dilaan mo siya. Tanong mo na. Magdila si Rowena. Sige, satan mo. Nagdidila siya.
Hindi man yung camera ko na mabilis.
Sige na nga. Oh, yan. Daming song. Ouch. Ouch. Oh. Go, Rowena. Go. Oh, wow. Nabibiyaan na.
What a face!
Thank you. Ooh, Crown Royal.
Yan. Yan sa loob. Hindi mo pa na... Yan.
Yan pa palang madidit. Purple. And gray. Thank you. Huwag ka nang bubuklas lang sa ba?
Sabi mo ko kasha.
Kasi yan, M eh.
Wala na, walang basta lang ilagay sa supot.
Thank you. Maganda na nga yung ano eh.
Wow.
Testingin na. Ano ito mas cute?
Alphabet song. Wow.
Show it.
You know, show the Tagalog. Laging tapat. It's asin.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Maylene.
You're welcome. Good?
Yeah.
Wait, you do it that time. I don't know. I never heard this song in my life.
Oh.
Like Rowena said, it's not from my generation. Oh, yeah. You know this song? Okay. Yeah.
Kinakawawa ka talaga, Matapos mo maghugas, hinihaya ka naman.
Magkano naman yung babysitting?
Raita.
Grabe. Pro daw eh, pro.
Tulog na siya.
Ayun ang kinakanta niya. Hindi niya nakakatulang tumutulak yan tayo.
Very special one on your birthday today.
Magic dragon. I never heard of that song. Oh, we have to sing
Red.
Oh, Gap! Oh!
Right?
Yeah! Birthday!
Red. Perfect.
Oh! Parang sinukat.
Yeah, nga eh. Perfect. Alis mo yung black. Or ano na? Red.
You're all red.
Yeah.
Birthday na birthday.
Nice.
Even my face is already red. Thank you for everything. Thank you also Don and Nick. Tama na. Oh, drama ko. Saturday. Kahit na ba yung lunch? What? Ate? What? Say tuloy. What? Saturday. What? Happy birthday.
Nasaan yung...
Sino ang tanggeran?
Gaya! Ako na! Tingnan mo yung titi. Ay, tingnan mo yung kamay niya.
Ha?
Tingnan mo yung kamay niya. Start na kayo. Tatlong daliri.
Ang gwapo-gwapo naman ay. Nice. Kaway.